Math operators or arithmetic operators are simply the basic subtraction, division, addition, and other arithmetic operators in programming languages or Python, like the multiplication and the module. Quickly, let's open our IDLE and try some basic math operators and how they work in Python. So first, let's try the addition operator, which is simply the plus sign. We all know the general plus sign. So let's try 7 plus 3, and it returns the answer 10, which is just the basic mathematics we all know. You can also do 5 minus 6, and it returns minus 1. Now we also have the multiplication operator or the multiplication sign, which is also the star sign, and this one can be found on the 8th key. So press and hold shift plus 8 to get that operator, the multiplication operator. Okay, so we can do 2 multiplied by 5, 2 times 5, and it returns 10. Let's do 3 times 2, which is 6. Okay, we also have the exponent sign. Now the exponent sign comes with 2 stars. So we have star star, which represents the exponent. Okay, so let's go ahead and do 3 exponent 4. So what this means is 3 raised to the power 4, and this is going to multiply 3 4 times. So it's going to do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and we have the answer to be 81. We can also do 3 exponent 3 to get 27. Now we have the division sign or the division operator, which is / on our keyboard. Okay, but what is with this / is it returns the answer in decimal numbers. So let's try 22 divided by 7, and it's going to return the answer in decimal numbers or in a decimal form. Okay, again, let's do another one, 33 divided by 7, and we have 4.71 onwards, right? Now there is another division sign we need to consider, which is the double /. Now this also divides the number, but it does not return the answer in decimal form. It returns the answer in integer form. So let's try 22 divided by 7. Note that this time around we are using the 2 /, and it's going to give us an integer here. The last sign to consider in this video is the module operator, which is the percentage sign. Now what the module operator does is it gives us the remainder of a number or 2 numbers. Okay, so let's try that. Let's say we have 5 module 3. It's going to give us the remainder of this division. Okay, so it will give us an answer to be 2, because 5 module 3 gives us 1 and the remainder is 2. Okay, so we have the remainder to be 2 there. Now Python solves an equation considering the highest privilege operators. Let's see what the highest operators are. Okay, so if Python is solving an equation, it's considered the first highest privilege operators, and the highest one is the exponent. Okay, so if we have an equation, Python is going to consider exponents first, and it will move to the multiplication, later to division, then the division which returns an integer, and move to the module before it comes to our basic addition and the minus operator. So let's take note of this. And keep that in mind. All right, that is it for this video. Make sure you join me in my next one. Have a wonderful day.